Tire. As I mentioned, this tire had been ridden previously with only some of the studs in it. You can notice that there's some rocks lodged in the holes. Little screwdriver tip will help pop those out. There's another one here. If you have trouble getting those out, sometimes the stud installation tool can help you really dig down deep into the hole and pull those out. Knock it out of the tool afterward. Installing the stud is quite straightforward. The tool is like a screwdriver, but it has a hollow tip. Take the stud and you insert it tip forward into that hole with the flange on the outside. Then you just start with the flange across the hole, push it into the knob as you rotate around it slightly, and just pull the tool out, leaving the stud behind. Once you get the hang of this, it can go pretty quick. Keep in mind that you'll want to ride these tires for a good 20 miles on hard surfaces before you do any hardcore trail riding, just to make sure those studs are fully seated in the holes before they undergo the pressures of heavy trail abuse. So there you have it for the installation. If you want to take the studs out for whatever reason, it's basically the opposite of installation. Push the tool over the stud, turn it sideways a little bit, and it'll drag that head right out. Thanks for watching. Good luck studding your tires. We hope you enjoy your new grippy ride. And if you have any questions, let us know. Thanks.